Hello, and thank you for watching us at xm.com for this Forex Preview video. I'm Cristina Marujos, and joining me today is investment analyst Mario Sachikiriakos. We'll be having a look at Eurozone PMIs out on Friday. The Eurozone area appears to be having a very good week, Marios. We finally had an agreement on the virus recovery package, and now Friday's PMIs are forecast to show upbeat numbers. What are we likely to see in the PMIs, and could this signal that Europe had a smooth return to normal after weeks of being in lockdown?
Hello, Christina. Yes, the PMIs are expected to bring even more good news for the euro area. So the manufacturing index is expected to touch the 50 level. That would signal that the sector is no longer contracting. The services print is expected to cross back above 50, which would signal a return to growth. And all of this comes on top of the extraordinarily good news we got at the beginning of the week, which in my view is a game changer for the euro, really. So all this time, the Eurozone's Achilles heel, or its biggest risk in a sense, was that there wasn't any real federal government like in the US that can help individual states when they're in trouble. But now, after this deal that we saw at the beginning of the week, the stage is set for more risk sharing among European nations. So Italy already has a high debt to GDP, for example. It will not be given just loans to get it out of this crisis. It will also receive some grants which don't have to be repaid, and this is huge. This is the first step towards essentially fixing the defunct institutional infrastructure of the Eurozone. So, long story short, we got some extremely good news this week, and tomorrow we might get some confirmation that the recovery is going as planned in the euro area.
And speaking of very good news, we've seen the euro rally this week. Do you think the PMIs could further fuel its rally and push it even higher?
Yes, perhaps the PMIs could help. Look, I'll put it this way. The euro has already come a long way. It has rallied quite spectacularly in recent days. Now, I think that the overall outlook is still bright, but nothing goes up in a straight line. So we could see some correction, but ultimately I think euro dollar is heading higher, not just because of euro strength and an improving backdrop for the eurozone, but I think that the next leg higher for euro dollar will come from dollar weakness. So specifically next week we have a Fed meeting. I think that there are good chances that the Fed will act again at that meeting, and if that happens, that could hurt the dollar and help euro dollar rally even higher.
Marios, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching this Forex Preview on Eurozone PMIs here at xm.com.